Welcome to another edition in the Manufacturing Technology Safety Series. The foot shear. The foot shear is a machine that is used to cut straight edges on sheet metal. The foot shear does not require any supplemental power to make these cuts, but uses your body weight and leverage in order to cut your sheet metal. To cut a piece of sheet metal on the foot shear, simply place your piece to be cut down on the bed of the machine and use the guide on the right-hand side of the machine in order to make sure you have a straight edge. Press down on the foot pedal using your body weight. A few tips for using the foot shear. Always wear safety glasses. Only cut sheet metal, never anything thicker than 16 gauge. Only one person uses this machine at a time. Never reach behind the machine during operation. Never jump or use excess force on the foot pedal, and always be careful of sharp edges when finished cutting.